Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at another paver sealing. Actually today we have 111 blocks that we have to change out here first, so we're gonna get all that taken care of, and we'll come back tomorrow and then get everything cleaned, and then the following day to lay the sealer and the sand down. But let me walk here and I'll show you what we're doing today. All right, so we got we have oil stains all over this driveway. These were brand new pavers. This is the reason why you want to get them sealed as soon as possible. These are only about 8 months old, but they had a car leaking all over them. But since they were brand new and they'd never been sealed before, the oil just soaked right into them. So we tried a couple different things to try to remove them, but they're too far embedded in the bricks. So at any rate, so we have a little over 100 paver blocks here. So today we're going to pull these out, the ones that have the oil stains in them, and then switch them back out. All right, so that's our little project here this morning. Let's get moving. Okay, so we got all the pavers changed out. This is gonna look so much better. Still gotta clean all the debris off, but all the spots that we had oil stains now have new pavers in there. This is a stack of them here. Yeah, you can see, here's a good example right there. You can see how far down the oil has gotten into those bricks. Look at that. That's why they're so hard if they're not sealed to get that oil back up out of there. All right, well, that's it for here today. We're gotta go clean a pull cage yet, and we'll see you back here in the morning. Okay, so we're back here this morning at our driveway paver sealing project, and we'll walk around and take a look at it. So this is the front driveway. We changed out all those pavers yesterday here, so we got a few more I think that we need to try to switch out. We should be in good shape. Okay, and then we also have this little deck here in the back that we're going to be sealing for him as well. So little fire pit. All right, so we'll get everything cleaned and prepped today. We'll come back tomorrow and sand and lay the sealer down. All right, let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We got everything cleaned, a 1, 2, 3 cleaning process. We have it neutralized. So we'll let this dry up overnight. We'll be back in the morning and we'll be ready to put some sand and sealer down here. Okay, we'll see you back here in the morning. Hey, good morning everybody. We're back at the paver sealing job here for the driveway and pull deck. Let me walk you around. We got everything sanded in here this morning. We actually used gray sand on this morning, so walk you around. We got a final blow off to do, and then we're ready to mix up some sealer. All right, so there's the front driveway. We replaced all those blocks that are over there, so we don't have any more of the oil stains. It was real bad. So anyway, we got all that ready, and the back deck is all sanded and ready to go. So we are pretty close to mixing up some sealer here this morning. So let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. 2 coats of Cat 5. Man, these new pavers just suck the sealer up. So we ended up having to put 2 pretty heavy coats on there. So let me walk around and show you what it looks like now. Yeah, major difference on this one. Had all those oil stains everywhere. The pavers were in pretty bad condition for being practically new. But yeah, they're looking good now. Sand's exactly where it's supposed to be. Got a nice little shine on them. I'll take you back and show you the back patio. Okay. Yeah, this looks really nice. Fire pit turned out beautiful. Got a lot of color back into it. Yeah, these look good. So that takes care of this one. So we did this one today. We did the driveway there, we did the driveway there, we did the driveway across the street. And then you can see the difference. We're gonna end up going up to these rest of the neighbors, I'm sure. You can see the difference between the 2 driveways. And we already got 2 customers up that way. So okay, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts, and we will see you at the next job.